Ever dreamed of landing high-paying freelance gigs and joining an elite network? This video is your roadmap to cracking the code and getting approved on Toptal, the platform that connects top freelance talent with clients worldwide. Step 1. Perfect your portfolio. You'll need a strong portfolio showcasing your best work, highlighting your skills and experience tailored to the types of projects you're seeking on Toptal. Make sure your portfolio is easy to navigate and visually appealing. Think clear descriptions, case studies, and impressive results. Step 2. Skill assessments. Toptal rigorously tests your abilities through several assessments. These often include technical quizzes, coding challenges, or design tests. Brush up on the skills required for your specialization. Practice makes perfect. Use online resources, practice platforms, and sample tests to sharpen your abilities. This is where you truly prove your expertise. Step 3. Communication tests. This is where your professionalism shines. Toptal evaluates your communication skills through various stages, including initial interviews and communication exercises. Be prepared for virtual interviews and demonstrate a clear understanding of project requirements. Show your ability to effectively communicate complex ideas and collaborate with clients and colleagues. Strong communication is key to success. Step 4. The screening process. Toptal reviews applications through a multi-stage screening process. This will include a thorough review of your skills, communication abilities, and your portfolio. Be patient and be prepared for potentially multiple rounds of reviews. Toptal selects only the top talent, so be persistent and show them why you deserve to be part of their elite network. Success on Toptal is about demonstrating your expertise, professionalism, and your ability to deliver high-quality work. So, if you are looking to jump into the world of expert freelancers, start preparing your application today. And good luck!